This video is in a series of videos to help you as you set up evidence for learning. This is an optional step. Step 2D, set up data. Import a framework from the EfL framework library. So you're going to log into the web console on a computer. You can refer to the email that you were sent that contains your trial or your subscription details for domain information or your school's unique URL to access the web console. So I've logged in to the web console. I'm then going to hover over admin at the top right and then click on access the admin console area. So within the admin console area, I'm now going to hover over system data at the top left and then click on frameworks.
To then import a framework, we click on import towards the top right. Then click Open Library towards the bottom left. You can then browse the EfL framework library to see any of the frameworks that we've added, or any of the frameworks that have been added from over 500 special schools, mainstream schools, provisions, or nurseries that are using evidence for learning. At the top of the screen towards the right, there's a search box, and you can enter a framework title that you're looking for. So in this example, I'm looking for AET. Anything that matches your criteria will be displayed. You have a preview button towards the right-hand side, so you can click preview. You can then preview a framework to be able to see how it's going to look. And if you want to go back to the framework library, you just click back towards the top right. And if you decide you do want to import the framework, you can locate it again and just click import on the right-hand side. After a few moments, you'll get a success message at the top of the screen showing that the framework has been successfully imported. You can also choose to add other frameworks, so I'm going to add some as-done frameworks. And I'm going to add personal progress by clicking import towards the right-hand side. I'm also going to import as-done personal and social development, the PSD. And then to return to the frameworks that are now in your cloud, you can hover over system data at the top left and then click on frameworks. You can now see we've added these 3 frameworks to our cloud from the EfL framework library. There are a number of other guides and videos available, including how to create and add your own curriculum frameworks that may be specific to your school. As ever, always feel free to get in touch if you've got any questions or you want some further support in helping you get set up with evidence for learning. There are a number of guides and videos available within the EfL Online Resource Centre, and always feel free to call us or to email us at services@theteachercloud.net. For information on how you can connect with the hundreds of practitioners who are using evidence for learning, please visit our website for further information, and that is www.evidenceforlearning.net.